Good morning. I want to go out there for the first time, somewhere around where those trees are, just out of curiosity. I'm heading back. I'm just going to catch my breath, then go and buy bread because I'm trying to stop skipping breakfast. Coming up was a literal workout. Uber Eats just delivered my order and I couldn't go to buy the bread because the geese wouldn't let me pass. Already ate the cream off this one. It's very sweet, so I want to be putting sugar in my tea. I've also put the remaining one in this container because my fridge is off right now and I don't want ants to get to it. I was deleting videos from my card to create more space and I saw a video from when? January? Or was it in Feb? Expired. And I came here to check the expiry dates on these sauces, but all of them are expiring around the end of the year, so that's good. And I also just realized that it was not my fault that the other ones expired before using because I did not get them myself. I had them delivered. So yesterday, I was cleaning the balcony and I saw some eyes staring back at me and they were the eyes of a froglet. I thought it was the only one, but I soon realized there were more. I decided to just get rid of the plants and be done with it. Then today I found this little guy. These ones are from the cooker. I'm just done cleaning and wiping. Is it the drip pan? So I want to put this back in, then clean the draining tube. These gray parts, this is where I should attach the drip pan. The fridge has been off since last night. I wanted it to defrost. I already washed this. So this is the defrost tube, the defrost hole. The defrost pipe, hole to the pipe. Some people have it at the bottom of their fridge, I think. The water just drained into the drip pan and it's not as dirty as I expected. everything is almost done. All the sausages are nearly over, and I bought a lot of them. And I wanted to do a video about how I organize my fridge, but I wasn't ready to film, so I didn't organize my fridge. I just threw everything inside here. I bought some bananas and they got extremely ripe and attracted some fruit flies. Then I decided to go online and search on how to get rid of fruit flies, and this is what I got. Here it is. There's some apple cider vinegar and I added some brown sugar. This one has been wiping all the dusty surfaces. This one is in vinegar. This one is in bleach. I bought the small ones because whenever I have many of the big ones, I just finish each in one sitting, and that's wasteful. Then here we have, so in here we have the giant samosa, and there's a lemon inside that as well. Then there's a burger. The samosa was actually quite tasty. Loved it. I've eaten most of it, but don't judge me. I haven't had anything since morning, so I'm very hungry and it's nighttime. The fries are actually sufficient. I am surprised. I've even left some. So I'm going to eat this, then the fries and the remaining burger I'll have tomorrow.